Welcome to the lesson that will educate you about Google Drive. Mountain Ridge Middle School will be using this for students to work from home if necessary. Instead of using the home drive, which we've done in the past, we will be using Google Drive. So let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and go to Google. Once you are at google.com, choose the sign in option. You're going to type in your student number, whatever that might be. For example, 12345, and then you would put the @ student.asd20.org, and then you would type in your password that you use to log into the school's network. Once you're logged in, you'll see your information in the upper right corner. Mine's a little different because I am a teacher. You can go ahead and choose the apps option and choose Drive. If for some reason Drive is not available, just Google Drive, and you would then choose the top option. This is where you will be spending quite a bit of time. Some teachers might bring you here more than others. Now, do notice that I have a lot of information in my Google Drive. This is poorly organized, and that's why I'm going to teach you how to stay organized. When you open up this drive, it's better just to see folders. These top 3 are folders. The rest are just thrown in there. It's kind of random. Not good organization. So what you want to do, depending on what grade you're in, is you want to choose the Create option. Go ahead and choose Folder. So let's say, for example, you are a 7th grader. You would type in 7th grade, depending what grade you're in, and then choose Create. Do you notice that 7th grade folder? I'm going to go ahead and double click on that, or just click on it. And what you're going to do is create folders for all your academic classes. Later, you can add whatever exploratory classes that you have. But until then, we'll just go ahead and stay organized for the academic classes. Because we are an IB school, we will be using the IB terminology. So these are the folders you will be creating. So with that 7th grade folder open, I will choose Create Folder. You're going to create more folders for each class. The first one will be Language and Literature. I will then choose Create. I will then choose Create again, Folder, and add the next one, in this case Language Acquisition, and choose Create. I will keep doing this until all have been added. Once you've added these folders, you are ready to be organized for those classes. Now, some of these teachers might not even have you use Google Drive, but this is a nice way to have access and to stay organized. Let me show you an example of how it will look for a computer class if you happen to add a computer class folder if you take Ms. Clementi. Here's what that folder looks like. Here is computer class. It's set up to have several folders where images, sound, PowerPoint, video, and Word documents can be stored. If you want to do that for your other classes, so for example, if Language Acquisition has several Word documents, you might want to go ahead, instead of just dragging those Word documents into that folder, you might create a folder called Word to stay even more organized. Those teachers might have you also save images. You might then again create another folder called Images. It's strictly up to you how you want to stay organized. You are now on your way to being organized for Mountain Ridge Middle School. Until next time, you have a wonderful day.